Hello, my name is Maria and I'm going to speak about the women's role in advertisement. As everyone knows, advertisements are everywhere, not only mass media, but also on the street, on the sides of the buses, at the bus stops, etc. They can be displayed on billboards, buildings' walls. In short, outdoor advertising has become unavoidable. First of all, I'll start with the gender stereotypes. Advertisement began before the 19th century. Women were presented in roles such as cooks, maids, babysitters. The general message that we could see in this advertisement was the harder a wife works, the cuter she looks. In contrast, men were usually portrayed as powerful, serious or strong. After the Second World War, women have more rights and opportunities to find a wide range of activities, and they were more accepted by society. So when they appear in advertisement, they were according to the slogan, "We can do it," or "Of course we can." However, in spite of the change in the role of the women, advertisement confirmed the idea of sex scenes, violence and objectification. And the advertisement objectified the woman in order to sell the product. Concerning the effects of the advertisements, it's very common that young men and women to compare themselves with the models that appear in the advertisement. However, these models, the physical appearance of this model has been altered through editing programs such as Photoshop. So they create these people who usually are teenagers, create a false beauty ideal in order to achieve the perfect body, the desired look. It's very dangerous because sometimes they use aggressive techniques like extreme diets, or sometimes they alter their appearance cosmetically or surgically. Another effect of the advertisement is the violence. Unfortunately, it's very common, the violence the violence against women. We can see that there is male violence in advertisements. This makes people accept the idea that women are less than equal. Women are less than equal to men, and it makes people accept violence easily. When sexuality is used in advertisement, certain values and attitudes toward sex is sold along with the product, and we can find messages like innocence is sexy, or if you use a product you are more attractive to the other sex, and messages like those. In comparison with other countries, for example Saudi Arabia, the role of the woman is different. Here all the body and the face should be covered in order to avoid the physical attraction. To sum up, in my opinion, I think all the women should make an active effort in order to change the women's role in advertisements. And that is all.